Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Thursday, March 30th. I'm going to go over the markets with you here. Once again, weaker tone here, chipping away one more day down. So tomorrow, big crop report, quarterly stocks, planting intentions. That's the only two sets of information we get, and it's going to offer a lot of details. And so, trade has been weaker here for about 2.5, 3 weeks leading up into this crop report. Lots of selling, probably a lot of that selling coming from managed money as well. So you looked like maybe you were going to be able to keep corn on the positive side. Wasn't the situation. Down a penny or two here in corn. Wheat market broke. Minneapolis was holding steady after having a good day yesterday. Started off strong, once again up 5, and then all the wheat markets kind of came down and closed steady to about 4 or 5 cents lower. Bean market down 6 cents. So that bean market really the one being hit. It'll be interesting to see what managed money has done here, because I do feel like they're a big reason why you're liquidating this as hard as you are. After the close, you did have a private estimate out of Brazil come in here and peg their bean crop at over 113 million metric tons. That is a gigantic production number. So you continue to hear them go up and up and up. Really right now, USDA has pegged in 108, I believe. And so there's that potential for growth. They left Argentina unchanged for their estimates, but really they're saying that there is a very large crop here in Brazil, very similar to what we saw this last year. Already talking about some storage issues as far as those bean go, maybe thinking that you'd see some increased exports there. Speaking of exports nothing to write home about today, but it did officially put beans above the allotted number that USDA has in there. And so we either need to see cancellations or a change from USDA. Chances are USDA will increase that export number, and we'll start to see that increase a little bit, which will take carryout level down in soybeans, though we do have a very large carryout in beans right now. So it shouldn't offer too much of a change, but nonetheless, some support maybe here into the bean market. Moving into the meat markets, lower trend here on cattle markets, live cattle, feeder cattle down anywhere from $1 or $2. Lean hogs actually up $1. And then those outside markets all in the positive. Crude up once again here after those regulations were pulled back as far as EPA goes. And then US dollar slightly higher, Dow about 55 points higher as well. Like I said, tomorrow big crop report, and we'll see what that offers here to the grain markets. I have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have yourself a great day.